Has provided me an opportunity for traveling to US for a project, okay, which was an excellent opportunity. Okay, first when I told my parents, they were telling, how will you go alone, and all the challenges, came. Though there were some two fears which were commenting as a lady, how do I travel alone, in the different environment? Okay, but I took it as a challenge. Okay, I took it as an opportunity. Always grab the opportunity. Do not leave the opportunity. Okay, so as an independently, I was able to handle the situation. I was able to do a paper presentation in the US, which the company has given a notable opportunity. Thanks to the chairman sir and also the leadership team who has provided me that opportunity in the year of 2010. Girls are like butterflies. Okay, we are not like it's a caterpillar or something like that. So always, I wanted all the girls also to grab the opportunity and fly like a butterfly, so that you'll also have the immense satisfaction, and also you will have the peacefulness actually of doing the things and grabbing the things. As a woman, you should not be backsliding always. Okay, every woman has got a unique talent. It is the way and the potential. How you think yourself. If you have to think you are a super leader, you will always emerge as a notable personality and a notable leader. But even when you even think, I'm not so competent or I'm not so eligible to do this, when your mind always, goes into that sliding direction, then obviously, your legs will be pulled actually. So please always, as a women leader, you should always focus on your strengths and do not focus on your weakness. When I switched over into the IT, I had the biggest privilege of executing the project lead for the whole Vedanta, where I was leading the SAP HSM project for the whole group. It has given me an immense satisfaction. Ultimately, we were able to deliver it in a very due diligence way. And second thing, what I can say is, when I joined STL Digital, it has given me the challenging opportunity to take up various roles actually, functionally. I've been, asked to take up the various locations also, heading a different location. STL has given me a diversified experience, and I am so grateful for that. And it was an excellent opportunity for me to be associated with STL. When the OA has got released, first I call the team and inform that this is the OA which has come, and I'm going to take up a challenging opportunity, and the team is the base. Without the team, you cannot work actually as an independent leader, because team is most essential. And I was informing my team only, and they also has given me confidence in this thing, and we are so happy that lady is getting opportunity. Most precious question that you have provided me to answer, because I can say the women in technology, whenever I go for some conferences and see that not even a 20% women leaders, I see that. Okay, so going forward, I can say that in the upcoming years, women should have a passion, and women should have a lot of they have to be open-minded, for the travel also, and they have to be very much passion to join many conferences, and also they have to take up the leadership position without any hesitation. Okay, so my advice to all the young leaders is, without compromising, whatever opportunity comes, they have to take it and they have to lead it. So, ladies should not be, constrained, not to read, or they have to spend so much of time for the reading. Okay, so the reading will improve their knowledge. Reading will make them expertise. They should be able to speak aloud, and they should be able to showcase themselves as a technology leader in any of the conferences. So I am happy that future a lot of women leaders will come up in the upcoming years, and the stages will be full of women leaders.